Let us take a look at biological explanations for deviance. Cecil Lombroso, in his book The Criminal Man, conducted a post-mortem on the Italian serial killer named Vitella. From this, he argues that criminals exhibit many abnormal features, for example, facial, skeleton, and sensitive functions. This is caused by what he calls atavism, or very simply, a reversion to the state of primitive man. So in other words, the criminal has character traits which are very similar to that of prehistoric man. In the twin studies, Carl Christensen of Denmark looked at 3,586 pairs of twins born between 1881 to 1910. He looked at same-sex, therefore controlling for gender. He found that if one identical pair had a criminal record, there was a 35% chance that the other had one too. Conversely, he found there was a lower criminal concordance in fraternal twins, in that if one of this fraternal twin had a criminal record, there was only a 12% chance that the other had one too. In the adoption studies, mostly done between 1924 to 1947, these studies showed that criminal convictions were more likely if biological parents were criminals rather than adoptive parents. In the XYY chromosome studies done in the 1960s, we see that males who generally have an XY chromosome and females who generally have an XX chromosome, it was found that some males had an extra Y chromosome. These males tend to have more criminal convictions than average. They were also taller than average, more aggressive than average, and more muscular than average.